Alright, we got our simulator up, so let's go ahead and click fly now. It's gonna load up here. Wait for that to load real quick. Alright. I want to go to options, flight video. Go to my one that I want. Click play. And then that's gonna load up. So we'll give that a second. Alright, so we're here on our landing. We got our GPS up here. And as you can see on our GPS, here's our airport. Look around the cockpit. So, got our radios down here, throttle, yoke, and all of our instruments with our engines right there. Then there's our overhead panel with our lights, switches, and all that. Then there's the outside. Our gears down, and we're going in the final for our landing. This is all our heading, speed, autopilot, and all that good stuff. Coming in kind of slow. I don't know why my gauge is doing that right now. Kind of low because of my speed right now. And we're gonna take her down here. Came in kind of low because of my speed. Kind of just jerked her down. But it was a good smooth landing. So we'll see you next time.